Good morning students. In this video, I am explaining you ozonolysis reaction. Now ozonolysis means addition of ozone in alkene across the double bond to form triozonide, which on reacting with zinc dust and water gives us aldehyde, ketone or both aldehyde and ketone as a product depending upon structure of alkene. So here I have taken few examples of this reaction. My alkene is ethene containing 2 carbon and there is a double bond. When it is reacted with ozone, oxygen atom of ozone adds on both this carbon across the double bond and also between the double bond. So when you are writing, you add one oxygen to this carbon, one oxygen to this carbon, and then between the 2 carbon atom also one oxygen is written. This is triozonide. When further reacted with zinc dust and water, it breaks down in this form. Carbon bonded to one oxygen, carbon bonded to another oxygen, and this particular oxygen combines with zinc dust to form ZNO. So we get rearrangement of bonds. Since this is H2C and O, it rearranges itself as hydrogen bonded to carbon, then carbon is having double bond with oxygen, and then there is one more H bonded to carbon. So this is aldehyde. This is also same group, so we get 2 molecule of formaldehyde from ethene. So it breaks in this manner. Now if my alkene is straight chain alkene like ethene, I will get aldehyde as a product. But if double bond containing carbon has a branch of carbon, then in that case I will be obtaining ketone as a product. Let us see. This is my starting compound, which is 2-methyl propene, because total there are 3 carbon in a straight chain. So addition of oxygen atom takes place across these 2 carbon atom. Since there is no space to write it down, I will be writing it up. So plus ozone, that is 3 oxygen, out of which one adds here between 2 carbon containing double bond and one adds on each carbon. So my product is CH3, C, single bond O, single bond CH2, this 2, then CH3. This 2 carbon, one more valence is satisfied by bonding with oxygen, and this way triozonide is formed. So you have to add across the double bond, on both carbon as well as between both carbon, on both as well as between. Then this particular oxygen which is added between, it does not become part of a product. So when reacted with zinc dust and water, this molecule breaks in this form. The writing side fragment CH2O. Once again it is similar, that rearrangement of bond of writing side fragment will give us HCH double bond O. HCH double bond O. And this side fragment, this is particular carbon which is bonded to oxygen. There is a formation of double bond in between both of them. So C double bond O on this carbon, which is bonded to CH3 on one side and CH3 on another side. So we get a mixture of aldehyde and ketone here, formaldehyde and acetone. So if double bonded carbon atom is having branch, we get ketone. If it doesn't have a branch on it, we get aldehyde. So this fragment gave us aldehyde and this fragment gave us ketone. So this way, if you are asked to obtain only ketone as a product, you have to form double bond carbon in such a way that it contains branch carbon atom over it. Across the double bond, there is a branch also. So here we complete 2 examples of ozonolysis. Few more examples for practice I will be giving you in notes and assignment. Thank you.